Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webpage Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete Google backup photos. Okay, you can delete your backup photos from your Google Drive. So I'm going to show it by Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, I here on my Android screen. So let me open Google Photos application. Open your Google Photos application, and here you have to. Okay, from here you have to log in with your email ID where you have backed up your account. So you can log in with your email ID. You can add a new email ID from here. Just click on this tiny arrow and you can add your another email ID from here. Okay, so just log in with the email ID. Now you can go to this photo option and here you can see the all photo you have backup it. So this is year, date, whatever you can see here. Just open it and you can delete from here. Just click on delete, so it will be also removed from your Google account. Okay, so just move to trash. After you delete, just come back and go to the library and go to the trash, and here you can see your all deleted photos. Just click on it and you have to delete it permanently. Okay, so just delete from here also, because when you delete anything from Google Photos, so it move to the trash folder and it will be here for 60 days, and after 60 days it will be automatically deleted. So you have want to, if you want to delete permanently, just come and delete from here also, so it will be delete permanently. So if you're confusing with your Google Photos application, then I suggest you go to the Chrome browser. Okay, so you can easily see your all backup photo and delete, so you won't be confused here. Just log in with your email ID and go to the Google Photos. Search here Google Photos. Okay, let it open. Okay, so let open Google Photos. Log in with your photos with the same email ID. Just click on Get Photos. Okay, it is opening. Maybe your application will be direct open. So for that you have to go in Setting, and this is for Android phone. Go to the app and notification, or now find the Google Photos and go to the advanced and click on open by default, and just click on open support link, and here you have to click don't open this app. Okay, so your application won't be open directly. So now just go to the again Google Photos on same page on Chrome. Go to the get Google Photos. Okay, don't. Okay, okay, don't click on get Google Photo. Just come back and log in with your email ID. Now you have to click on this three dot option and use the desktop mode. Click to desktop site and your account will be see like this. Now just zoom it and click on this three dot option, and here you have to click on photos, so your all photos will be visible here. Okay, so you can see, now you can see all your backup photo in Google Photos. Now you can delete from here. Just click on it, or you can select it like this. Okay, you can select it. You can select multiple photos from here, and if you want to now delete, just come here and delete from here. So you can delete, and now it will be moved to trash. So after delete everything, go to the trash option, and here you can see all deleted photos. Now you just click on empty trash, then all will be deleted, or you can delete one by one. Okay, just select and you can delete from here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.